Hey Sai, it is 9th of June 2011, right? Two small things before we proceed. Point number one is I think all of us need to be taking each other very seriously. Just how seriously you guys take me, I will take you, and vice versa. If I say that we have to have a meeting at 2 o'clock, we have a meeting at 2 o'clock, yeah? Because since you were not there till 2:15, Sangeeta, I had to do something else to occupy my time, and that's why it's become 2:30 now. I can understand very well if there is something important, somebody has come and is in meeting, therefore your lunch is delayed. All that I can very well understand. But please tell me, why artificial delay? If I say 2 o'clock, then we should meet at 2 o'clock. Now you should time your departure for lunch accordingly, right? Why an artificial delay? So which essentially means that I am not taken seriously. There's nothing else. It's just that you don't care for what I'm saying. I think we need to respect everybody's time as well as my time, no? Sat. Or otherwise come back and say that look, 2 o'clock is not possible, so and so time is possible. So not only for you, Sangeeta, message is for everybody. I think if you are keeping some time, giving some time, please stick to that time. And second important thing, which is a corollary to this, why frustration? Yeah, what is the frustration all about? I think we should give and take respect on both our sides, no? If you do not disagree with me, madam, you can please tell me that look, this is what you're doing and you're doing this wrong, or you're doing this right, whatever it is. I'm trying my best to put systems and processes in place so that we are able to get some traction. I don't want anybody at the back of my head to express any frustration. That doesn't happen at your mature levels. You know how it happens? I'll tell you where. I have done it. I have done it when I was in second and third standard. You know, don't take the problem, please. Second and third standard, or maybe even till fourth. And my daughter who's in fourth now does it okay. When the teacher scolds her, you know what she does? The teacher will turn her back to the wall like this. Okay, and he'll do. That's not what I expect out of you guys, yeah. Because if you have any issue, if you have any problems with what I'm saying, I think you should. If I have any problems, I think I have the courage to tell you guys back straight. Same thing, you should also have the courage to tell me back. No, look, this is what you're saying, and this is what you're saying wrong. I don't agree to it, or I agree to it. There's no point in expressing frustration out of eyesight. That's something which a third and fourth standard kid does, not people of our age or maturity or whatever it is. Anyway, I just wanted to make those 2 points. Life, I don't know whether it's going to get tougher or not, but just try to understand. Maybe you guys need to understand the strategy, why we are doing this and what we are doing this. I said that there is a product called Dotty Lakshya. This product is what we are introduced. We are in the business of, again, just to help you understand the strategy, just keep your mind open and try to understand. We are in 2 businesses, financial services and recruitment. And we are in a business which is B2C. B2C, you know, business to consumer. So therefore, e-Lakshya is there on one side, and you will have hundreds and hundreds and thousands of customers who will keep on coming in. Okay? Every customer, we give them a set-top box. Set-top box which is a Dotty Lakshya file. Set-top box or a terminal, whatever you may call it. Okay? They use this box for all their financial services requirements, for all their recruitment requirements. This box is something which is not available anywhere in the world, and people have never used it before, and they do not know. I don't know whether you guys, of course, youngsters, I do not know how whether you guys know how set-top boxes in TV came into existence the first time. They put it freely in lots of homes, and people were not using it. Slowly, they made people use it. And today, you have the DTH, which is a norm. But it didn't happen overnight. It happened over a long time. In the same way, the first thing I am doing is to give these set-top boxes or the Dotty Lakshya file to people. All I am doing is, first step is I am saying, please see okay, first of all, what is the first step I am saying? I am not asking them to look inside this. I am saying, look in your home and see if that box is there. See if box is there. ನಿಮ್ಮ shelf ನಲ್ಲಿ box ಇದೆಯಾ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. That is all I am trying to do first. Correct, no? By saying click on the link. That's all. I am not bothered whether they look inside the shelf or not. All I am saying is look in your room, see if that shelf is there. This will happen 3 or 4 or 5 times, no problem at all. Or maybe even more. People will just click on the link, not understand anything about the box, about the set-top box, not understand anything about what it contains and what it can do. That's perfectly fine for me. That's stage 1. Stage 2. Open the box and see. That is when people will actually look at a sheet A and sheet B and sheet C and try to understand what it contains. Today we are only forcing them to see that the box is there, that's all. The box has come to their house, it's there in their house, that's all. Second thing is to open the box and see what are the sections in that box, what are the various switches in that box. I am giving an analogy of set-top box only, okay? I hope you guys understand. So, sheet A, sheet B, sheet C, that is the second thing. Third stage is use the set-top box or use the .electria file, which is basically enter the values and figures in sheet B or sheet, I think sheet B you can enter, it will be useful. Sheet D or some sheet where people can put their documents. Sheet F is something where any messages for Electria, communication back and forth will be there. And I think sheet E and F are calculation sheets again which people can use. Which is the other sheet? Sheet O is what? Mailing. I forgot, yeah, huh?
Mailing.
No, mailing is sheet. Sheet O is where one can see the recruitment details and other details, something. Anyway, so many sheets are there. So that is when they will start using the .electria file. Once they start using the .electria file, again the same analogy as set-top box. Only when this happens, when they use the .electria file, what happens here? Set-top box, people saw in their room, then they started looking at the switches and all, then they started fiddling with the switches and clicking it and all, and then they started seeing that so many channels are coming in that set-top box. When they see those so many channels in the set-top box, hey, this channel looks quite good, yeah, let me subscribe to this channel. There is a 50 rupee subscription charge per month for this channel, let me subscribe to it. So that is the next stage. So the next stage which will happen after they start using and fiddling is, they will look at buying products from us. Which is, for a financial services customer, he or she will buy a mutual fund or an insurance or a health insurance, whatever it is through us. Or they will go through us for their recruitment solutions, which is for getting placed or whatever. They will see the benefit of all this only in the end. So we are nowhere close to this. You might be thinking, what is that we are doing? Why the person has to see a .electria file? And in fact, we are in step 0. I'll tell you why we are in step 0. We are not even in step 1, we are in step 0. So all this has to happen, and believe me guys, it will happen. It will automatically happen. But it will not happen overnight. Today it is very simple for me to go right to the 5th step and ask you guys to do telecalling. For example, telecalling or calling or whatever. Customer, do you want insurance? Please take. Example, customer, do you want some product? Please take. Telecalling exercise, what everybody does. Everybody in the world does that, no? Does the calling exercise and all the jokers, every joker does that, no? The joker says, do you want mutual funds? Let me give you mutual funds. So I can do step 5, and for those people who have taken mutual funds or whatever, I can create a .electria file for them. I can do reverse engineering. I'm not saying I will not do that. I will still do that. Maybe, but as now I have a little bit of luxury of time for you to get the process in place, so therefore I am doing like this. Is this strategy clear? Shweta, especially where you were quizzical all the time. So this is what I want to do. This is what I have. This is how I would want people to buy. However, we are not even in, I said we are not even in step 1. We are actually in step 0. What is step 0? I have not immediately gone to you and asked you guys that look, please put this set-top box in whichever home we have covered. Whichever home you can possibly get access to, please put this set-top box. I am not telling you this, guys. I have only told you guys, I don't care whether it's the houses of your friends or relatives or any acquaintances. I don't care if it's a database. At the end of the day, I am giving each of you guys a target of putting 130 set-top boxes in 130 houses. That's a target per week, right? 130 set-top boxes per week put in each houses. I don't care whether it is the house of these people or the house of a database. So I am actually doing step 0. Please give the set-top boxes to your friends and relatives only, or anybody, I don't care. Friends, relatives or database. However, the message which I gave yesterday, I think separately to Shweta and to the rest of you guys earlier is, there is always something called good and bad like good cholesterol and bad cholesterol. Because this is something like Akshaya Patra, it will never get exhausted. Okay, this is something which is like Satish Patra, it will get exhausted. You only have a limit to the number of friends and relatives. After that, you will not be able to do that. This one, it will not get exhausted, it will be there. However, there is a, let's say, I will not say alternative, but there is an approach which is there, which anyway I think some of you guys are doing, and that is this approach. I already told you this, right, earlier? That's why I heard Asha doing it, I heard Shweta doing it. Some of you, connect with your friends of your friends of your friends of your friends and do it. I do not care. At the end of the day, again, one more point. Today I am not focusing on whether my set-top box is in the right house. As a manufacturer of set-top box, I would want to give set-top boxes A to those households which will see TV. B to those households which are rich enough to buy my subscription channels and all. Correct? I will do that. But today I am not bothered. As I am starting out in zero, I am not bothered. I am not being selective. I just want to place my set-top boxes in whichever house. I know that, for example, if it is placed in a Gomati house, who's nothing but a student, whatever, that is fine. That Gomati house will become a bigger house, let's say 5 years from now, 10 years from now. Along with Gomati house, I will also have a Govinda house, which will be a big house, which I will work on, which others might work on. But again, I am saying today I am not bothered about where the set-top box goes to. So I have no problems if you are opening .electia files for your friends, for your people who cannot use financial services. I am perfectly fine with it. But I want the start, and that is exactly where we are. I want the set-top boxes because those people, even if they cannot use our financial service products, I believe that they can definitely use the recruitment service products. Slowly we'll come into that. Okay. So this, guys, the first point which I wanted to make is on strategy and why we are doing whatever we are doing. At the same time, I will also do this, and we will. But all mixture of everything we need to do in order to get our revenues on financial services and recruitment. First point. Second point. Chinju, can you get that thing on the notice board which I put in? Notice board mein do dala hu. Oh no, sorry, I just got it. Sorry. I was thinking I had not got it. I have been talking to 2 or 3 mutual funds. Has everybody seen this? All of you have seen this, is it? Lovely, great. But there are 2 or 3 other companies. I have been dividing some topics with some mutual. For example, I was talking with both the people who came in the morning on certain topics of which I think would be interesting for all of you. One, of course, is some Reliance immediately agreed and they have put it also, but I think there is a postponement of this, is it? Okay, which is basically how to talk on the telephone and how to do your emails and all that kind of stuff. You've read all these topics also? Please go through this. It's still notice board only. Please go through this just for your reference. Okay. So this training would be there. I think after that, Sangeeta has spoken to her friend at Reliance, and he has told her that it might get postponed. It is sure. Surely it is getting postponed. But I am talking to people. I will ensure that along with your work, there will be training programs also which will happen, helping you guys to do things better and more efficiently. But in the same light, I just want to draw your attention to one small thing. I put this all the time. Today, if in the night, if I go to Sangeeta or see, I do not specifically go to Shweta. Number one, because not for any other reason. Yeah, I mean, everybody is absolutely cool. But it's like this, no? In a pack of jokers, she is the least joker. Okay, that way. I am right at the. So among all of us, she is doing. That's why I don't touch her. No other reason. But point is, I touch a Sangeeta for sure, and to a small extent I touch a. For example, Junaid, I do not touch him at all. Junaid is fantastic, and I'm telling you this straight away on the face. No, whoever are the good performance, I can right now tell. Junaid is very. I'm not saying others are incapable. Yeah, that's not my point. My point is there are some performers who stand out. In whatever work Junaid is given, he's doing it fantastically. I mean, there is a lot of sharpness around him. And I would want to inculcate that same sharpness amongst all of you guys as well. So my point is, when I touch a Sangeeta or an Asha in the night and say, hey, how many, what is it that I want? The only thing which I want out of a Sangeeta, out of a Shweta, out of a Asha, and out of a Jobin and out of a Junju. 5 of them are there. The only thing which I want is, I want clicked conversions from you. That's all I want, right? Clicked conversions from you. Each of the word is important. Clicking is important, conversion is important, from you is important. What is the point in there being a credit for a friend of mine who clicks from Kerala, Binu Jacob? Sorry, it is not nothing to do with you at all. You help me, that's about it. That is not your conversion. Absolutely not. I am only asking for click conversions from you. And again here, I don't care whether it's your relative conversion or your database conversion. I will care later, much later, 1 or 2 months or 3 months from now I will care. But now I do not care about that. All I want is this. And what is the target that I have given you? I have told you, look, do between 20 and 30 per day. Target that so that you are able to get 130 per week. And you get 130 per week and you get your incentives. And fairly decent incentives. First week we started, I said, look here, leave it. I am not, at least things start, I will irrespective, I will pay, whatever my calculation incentive on Monday morning just to motivate you guys. But I don't want to keep on doing this week after week. I will look at this kind of a target. Now, my problem, comes where? My problem comes when Shweta and Sangeeta come back, Sangeeta and Asha come back and tell me, not that Shweta is doing much better, she is not, but amongst the lot, that's why I said no. My problem comes when you guys come and tell me that, look, hey, तू चुप रहे, मेरा कस्टमर्स को अभी मैं दिया हूं, 4-5 दिन में वो लोग क्लिक करेंगे. Super, perfect, that's okay, that's perfectly fine. However, when will they click? How does the funnel work? I'll tell you how the funnel will work, Sangeeta. The funnel will work only when, and I'm extremely disappointed. I thought that you were performing well and you had no records yesterday. Maybe you planned to put it today morning. But when me and Junaid saw today morning your records in at least S2 में there was some, Asha में there was some. आपका एकदम blank था. The message is, if you want a clicked conversion of 20 to 30, whatever it is, you should have given .elakshya files to at least about 50 people per day, or maybe even fine. If you want to keep the funnel fairly vertical, I'm fine with it. But at least 30-35 people you should have given, yeah. If Sangeeta comes back, because Sangeeta came back yesterday, hey, तू चुप रहे, मैं Monday से तेरे को क्या मांगता है तेरे को? Sorry, I'm using Hindi because that's the only language which all of us commonly can understand. ನಿಮಗೇನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ? ಈಗ ಅದೇ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದಲ್ಲ, ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತು ಮೂವತ್ತು ಬೇಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಮಂಡಿಲ್ ಅಂತ ತರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. That's what this lady said. But if you need to get those 20 to 30 leads from 30 clicks from on Monday, Monday, then there should be a minimum of 30 to 35 records on a daily basis, at the minimum. At the minimum, I'm saying, because only if there are 40 records which are created, 20 of them will open. I do not know about this statistic also. At the minimum, you need this. At the minimum, you need to give Junaid about 200, each, all of you, 5 people together, about 200 records to be given. As against that, totally how much? 39 today, yeah? 39, because we have, of course it took a little time, but we have sort of fairly, we are okay as far as creation of .elakshya files is concerned. My ambition was to make that automatic. It didn't happen. We have to do it manually because of bandwidth problems and all that. वो macro ticks नहीं चल रहा है. But still, doing it manually, we are doing it. Apart from the few errors which are there, which we will correct right now, I think things are fairly in control on the .elakshya file. Today we are sitting on having given 600 set-top boxes to people. We have put 650 odd set-top boxes we have put in people's houses. The point remains that out of the 650 boxes which are there in houses, and that's a pity, okay, out of 650 boxes, about, I think 35 or 40, I'm not sure about the exact number, maybe about 40, I think your count was 30 odd, and the rest, kuch to tha, whatever. About 50, 60 people have only seen that the box is there. The other 600 people don't even know that their box exists here in their house. That's a pity. Which is why you guys will have to work on that. But you guys have to equally work on this, yeah? Look at the funnel, no? If you are talking to maybe 70 people, about 35 people will come back and say that, hey, this is my email ID. Out of the 35 people who give their email ID and whatever it is, I am saying only email ID is enough. But we immediately create the .elakshya file. About 20 or 25 of the people finally open it per day. I think this is how you should look at it. On the other hand, I do not know how many calls people are making. I am finally having 3 or 4 records which come in. Of what use is that for you to look at your target? So that is my next message I want to give you. How you decide on your strategy is your call. Third message. Fourth message maybe. See, I'm so just telling you. A lot of people here do not believe in taking notes and all that. But I don't have any brains, I don't have any thought process. That's why I always keep notes on this. I have told you this, I think, on 2 or 3 occasions, but I don't think I've recorded. Again, I am saying, during the period that you guys are going to be here, I will always look at these 4 things for you. What is the 4th thing? Correct. I'll always look at opportunities where you guys can learn, where you guys can make money, where you guys can be busy through the day, and where you guys do things which are relevant to organization. Why I'm repeating this in front of the camera is, if you find that there is something which is there, okay, which does not do any of these 4 things, please immediately come and point out to me. Otherwise, I will myself point it out in the beginning. For example, I have myself pointed out. As far as Jobin is concerned, what is doing is not this, but he's still doing it. He's been very, let's say, very generous, and he's doing this. But I think, honestly speaking, what everybody else does has all these points, and I would want somebody to disagree with me. Okay, but having said this, this is something. For example, there is some learning which is happening in telecalling, talking, whatever it is. Obviously not for your whole lives. Obviously not for the whole period that you are at the lecture. We will have job rotation. We will have changes. All this. But as soon as you come into a particular role and say that you are doing telecalling, and let's say for example 3 days or 4 days of that, and you feel bored with it and say, give me something, that I cannot do. So you have to get settled in your role for some time, and after that you will always have role changes, job changes, because the world is it's a huge world out there. I told you those 5 steps. No, there are hundreds of things which need to be done, and you will get involved. But for now, as I said, I have put you into these things. So these 4 are important, and if I am not giving you work which satisfies these 4, please immediately pick my collar and shout at me. I have allocated individual phones for everybody. We immediately got phones. We got SIM cards. I have put that in B2B. In B2B, if you look at it, you will see what color, what this thing, everything would be there. Your shelves are there, where you have to put the instruments at there. And Shweta, especially you, not especially you, but Jobin, I saw. Okay, anyway, I will not make individual comments, but if I see that people are not using this, all I will do is I will keep pushing. That's all I'm saying. If people are more comfortable using this and using, I will keep pushing. I'm not saying that you should move overnight. I believe for the medium term, it is better to use headphone. It is better to click on contacts. And it is my endeavor also to, okay, please let me in this case do one small concession or confession. Do I do it for myself? I don't. I don't know whether you guys ever saw my mobile phone before I had given it to Asha. I loaded some 2000 for you, no?
3000.
3000. Before that, please tell me how many contacts I had in my mobile phone. Any idea? 8 contacts. Why 8 contacts? Because my mobile phone has got a system where अगर 1 को ऐसे दबाया तो ये कुछ नंबर आता है, 2 को ऐसे दबाया तो एक नंबर आता है. So total number of contacts is 8. Why 8? Because 1, it doesn't take 1, but it takes 2 to 9. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So only 8 contacts were there. Okay. So am I used to using my headphone to talking? I am not. Am I used to putting contacts and all? For example, Murali has got some 150 contacts. Am I used to putting any contacts in my phone? Not at all. Am I used to doing anything other than dialing the number? Not at all. I always dial the numbers. However, I know that this is what it is. However, I believe. But I started believing in it 2.5 years itself. Though I did not do it because I wanted to get a traction in place. I believe that the best way to connect with people is through use of technology. I have visited 1 or 2 call centers in my life. Has anybody visited a call center? Visited. Gone and seen how they call? It's a fantastic. Sorry, just put a little bit. Yeah, it's too horrible. There will be some videos on YouTube also, I think, on how call centers and all work. Okay, fantastic, beautiful way by which they work. They will the number, and that way they will ensure that people call 150 times a day. There will be some 100 people who will be there. Okay, each of them will have a very comfortable headset, far more comfortable than the one which, for example, Shweta is using. Very comfortable headsets only. Okay, and with a speakerphone and all that. That's how it will be, and they'll be sitting in front of their computers, in front of the screen. That's all. The server, which is the server room, the server will be loaded to the database. Okay, that database randomly, one by one, it will call the number and connect the call to automated. Nobody does it manually. It will connect to this caller, then to this, then to this, then to this. So what happens is, the time between her calling and her keeping the phone, it will give a, let's say, 30-second break between she keeps the phone down. After 30 seconds, the next number will be dialed. It will keep dialing a lot of numbers in the background here. If numbers are busy or numbers are not reachable or whatever, it will skip and it will go to the next one. Point is, it's fairly automated. So all that Shinju needs to do at the call center is keep the phone, keep her hands free, keep this. Calls will automatically be connected, and then if it's an outgoing call, she needs to talk something. Incoming call is a different thing altogether. Right? So I'm talking about outbound call. Outbound call means what? Calls which go from here. Server will dial. The minute the person picks up the phone, it passes on to Shinju, and she says, "Hello, hi madam, hi sir, how are you? We are calling from so and so. We are calling from Citibank." So that is how it happens. That's a fairly costly piece of expenditure and money, and I can't even. Okay, doesn't matter. I'll still continue. Since we cannot do that, I thought that the next best way is to have some kind of calling automatically. Now, I would really want you guys to, in this forum, to come and tell me, A, I agree with you, or B, I don't agree with you. You can always say, A, I don't agree with you because have you done it in the past? You'll ask me, I will say, no, I have never done it. Though I believe that this is the best way, I have never done it in the past. But I want to do it in the past. So let me, in this case, give you guys a option, like an option or whatever. I will also be calling. When I will be calling, I will be using the this thing and calling, and I'll stick some water. Can't even close this. Yeah. So I said that I will be calling and I will be using the headphone. In my mind, I think that will be. In my mind, I think it will be that will be the only way by which I can motivate you guys to use that. Otherwise, I don't see any way by which, because we will go back to what we are most comfortable with. What are we most comfortable with? I gave the example, no? My father was most comfortable writing letters and all, and posting them. Put it, hey, post box mein jayega, government hai, jayega. How much ever you convince them about email, you'll never have done that. In the same way, I know you guys are most comfortable with. But only if I start using, maybe you guys will use. But message is, please try. Please try. You might not find it easy now. Connection problem will be there. See, if there is a problem with voice clarity, then that's something which I can accept. Then I will say that you please keep it away and use your whatever. Other logistical problems like connection not working and all, I think you should sort it out right then and there. Message taken? If I am not using it, then you point out to me. Then you can you guys have all the locus and not to use it. But the reason I want you guys to do this so that your hands are free to record things. I'm just trying to make things more efficient. Because at 70-80 calls have to be done per day. To start with. Allocate phones ho gaya, data cords ho gaya. Load data to mobiles I have not done. One frustration story. But just two small things I wanted to point out here. One is, I have taken Xerox copies, okay? Some 40 Xerox copies of this. I realized that I had to take it. I had 2 visitors in the morning. Okay? Each of the visitors I went to them and said, have you opened your .elixia file? You know that at the heart of our technology is .elixia. Have you seen our ES22 video? Have you seen our ES22 have you seen our ES22.3 and all? Okay. Instead, all I'm doing is anybody whom I'm going to talk on the phone, it's fine. I'm going to use that use of .elixia, that all discussions wala. Anybody I am going to see in person, whether I go out and meet them or whether the person comes here, anybody and everybody, I am going to give this particular thing to them. So that I keep it in that pocket and go. As soon as I go out, let them throw it, no problem at all. But at least I am going to give it to them. I am going to give it to them by writing down a couple of details. Of course, once this video is there, I will give it to you guys also. You can take a look at it. But this is what I am going to do. Very simple. Nothing at all. This says .elect file is important. Go through your .elect file and go through the video ES22 video, ES22.ES2. That's all. Nothing else it says. But I am going to give this to anybody I am going to meet from now onwards. Not you guys, anybody in future. Fine. So I would request you guys also to do that in case you have people who come and meet up with you. One last point I wanted to, comfort factor I already told. I know, especially Sangeeta, Asha, maybe I don't know. I am basically a very introvert kind of guy. Introvert means, you know what? Introvert means very shy person who doesn't talk to people, who doesn't mix with people, who doesn't have friends. I am that kind of a guy. However, I have tried in the last several years. Is that mine? Yeah. You guys have your tea, no? Then, sir. However, in the last few years, especially after I came to a job, I have tried my best to get out of my introvertness and start talking. There is always, for a human being, there is always something called a comfort zone. Comfort zone is what you talk to your people, talk to them, hey, .elect file open karo yaar. That's comfort zone. The minute you try to step out of the comfort zone, you have a problem. नहीं होता है बात. I'm telling you, I mean, it's happened with me. It continues to happen with me for that matter. नहीं होता है. Please make a conscious effort. Please make a conscious effort to get out of your comfort zone and start connecting with the database properly. Asha is doing a wonderful job of it. She is doing that. Maybe, I mean, you can refine your process and all, but you can do it much better. But still, I'm quite happy with the way. Please get out of your comfort zone. Just a small recommendation submission. And one more thing, have I ever told you guys about Power Authority Circle? Always, it's my favorite. I always keep telling the trainees here. Power Authority Circle? Not told you guys at all, is it? It's a very important concept in life. Please understand this concept. Any organization that you go to, any company, anywhere, not company, or any role in society, anything that you do, always for your position, for your role, for your designation, there will be a authority which will be given to you. Authority means what is there in black and white, what is written. What is written in the manual is the authority given to you. Your job is that of sales executive. This is what you need to do. Your authority is you can sit in that particular chair. You can use a computer for blah blah blah. You can claim up to so and so money. This is your job. So there is an authority which is given. At the same time, because of the authority that you are given, you also exert a particular power. Not every human being will start only here, where the power circle will be one circle, the authority circle will also be the same. And please remember, nature always likes equilibrium. Your power will be equal to your authority. What happens? Great guys, let's say like a Jobin, let us take Jobin's example. Great guy, fantastic guy, superb sales executive and excellent. He's come as a sales executive. There's an authority which he has. There, because of the authority which has been given, which is according to their operations manual, he is also given a particular power. Jobin, authority will be like this, but he will exert more power. What will he do? He will start helping us other sales executives around. Okay, he will start suggesting to his boss, hey, these are the strategies which he can use here, like that. He will start doing that. He will talk to his HR and say, Arey, in my department, these are the HR problems, maybe you can help out on that. He will go to the Chowkidar downstairs and give some suggestions about what his work can be. So the authority will be this only. Authority as per operations manual is this only. But the power that he exerts, this is called, I don't know, MBAs will know. sphere of influence will be higher. Nature loves equilibrium. You know what will happen over time? Over time, this will expand. So very quickly, Jobin will become promoted, he will become a senior person whose power and authority circle will be the same. Exactly look at the Ulta. Ulta is, let's take a person like me. I am a manager, let's say. I am a manager of UPS. Venkat has given me the authority as the head of the Bangalore region, independent operation and all that. That's what he is given, okay? And he has given me a particular authority. The authority is as per my operations manual. And I also have power as per that. My power and my authority are the same. Oh, supposing the person like me, what will I do? I'm a stupid guy, okay? So though I have so much of power and so much authority, I will sit in one corner maybe, and I will also start doing sales calls. I will also, not sales, I mean, some work I will do, some calling I will do, something along with you guys I will also be. So though I will not bother about what Murli is doing, I will not bother about what you guys are doing, maybe only little botheration I will do. So though I have so much of authority, I am exerting only this much of power. Okay? Again I said no, nature loves in equilibrium. So Venkat will come back at me and say that, Arey yaar, maybe you are 2 times as much as Shinju or Sangeeta. So you can I will designate you senior sales manager. What is the big deal? And you please do your work and I will control it from Chennai. So this will happen, no? Message to you guys. Message is just that. Exert as much of sphere of influence as you can. Well, you help others, take initiative, take energy. सब हो गया क्या टू साइड? Log file is coming fine now. No issues on the log file. Okay, the last point which I wanted to make of you. How does June 26th sound as a date for our get together? I'm telling you guys 2 weeks in advance. That's a June calendar now. Just look behind now. All of you guys, please. June 26th, okay? Sounds fine. So let's stick to the date. I don't want anybody to come back and say that, hey, kal mere ko wahan. If you think that you have any other schedule, tell me. We will change it accordingly right now. Because I will plan my personal calendars and all on the basis of June 26th. Sangeeta, you okay with June 26th? I don't want anybody on June 24th to come back and say, hey, suddenly something got fixed up in. I will. Okay. I would want full participation, and therefore June 26th is the date I'm looking at. Okay, fair enough? Excellent. Let's hope to see if we have another couple of days join us, but take time otherwise. Okay, the last point is about mails. Okay, for that I think I need to use that only. I need to use the Camtasia thing. On one hand, you have people who don't believe in mails at all. Okay, at least the mails which come here. On the other hand, you have people who believe in mails, but whose mails are horribly written, honestly speaking. On the third hand, you have people who have not believed in mails till now, who suddenly start believing in mails today. Okay, and again the mails are not of good this thing. That's one point. Second point is, I don't think people still understand how those 3 kinds of mails work. Shweta today in the morning told me, she challenged me and she promised to come back on, hey, the mails are going from Satish.NID. She still has not come back. And for you, I've checked and double checked. Okay, fine. So can we take a bet now? Yeah. We'll take a bet now. Great, yeah.
What is the bet, sir?
You tell me. 500 rupiah. 500 rupiah abhi. At this moment, 500 rupiah. You show it to me. When you are clicking and logging in from SP or whatever, you should not log in into satishan@gmail.com and.
I have never opened Satishan.
Alright. So 500 रुपये का शर्त लग गया अभी लग गया सब मैं देता हूं अगर मैं गलत किया तो जरूर मैं देता हूं she's saying so completely but okay point is I will not take 100 rupees from her okay instead I'll get it from her institute I'll add it to the institute beautiful it will be so convenient for me लग गया शर्त great yeah, super just show it to me so there are 3 ways by which you can mails can be sent. What are the 3 ways? Please start sending mails. Okay. In fact, 4 ways by which mails can be sent through the T file. One is personalized bulk email, where Sangeeta is again an expert in that. Oh, बाद में करेंगे, देखते हैं, साथ करेंगे. You've done it so many times. Remember, Sangeeta, it's a personalized bulk email. Leave it for now. Here we are talking only about sending mail, only giving the link. That's one. Sending mail, giving the latest discussion and the earlier discussion. Send mail only with this latest discussion. This, I think the word I've used is random mail. The word I've used here is latest discussions and early discussions. The word I've used is link. Now seen these 3 comments, no? That's all. Now, there is also something there, of course it's my fault also in parts, where in the T file, most of your T, apart from 1T to 10T, most of the T files when you send the mail to the person, it says, it doesn't say dear Gopal, it just says dear Kama. You guys have seen that? Why is that so? Have you seen that? No, you've never seen that. Because have you seen how your mails go at all? That's the best part. I told no, I'm not saying do it every time. I said once, you please also mark a copy to you. What does it take to mark a copy here? When you're sending a mail to gopal@gmail.com, which is there in column C, no? Column C or column F? Column F, no? There, along with that, you put asha@readifile.com, no? What is stopping you? Whatever it is, whatever your other timesmail.com, ymail.com, what is stopping you from doing that here? And after that, you can always go and delete that, no? Uska baad always you can go and delete that, no? But what stopped you from doing that? I think I told you this earlier, right? Aise karke dekho karke. But people have obviously not. This is why the dear comes. You know why the dear comes? Because I think only till 10T we have. Remember this. In case it is not there, please. You can put the formula yourself, or because me and Junaid will do that now. But in the meantime, if that happens, then tell me. What has to happen is, in L2, okay, in cell L2, please put this command. That's all. In your T file in L2. Actually, why am I saying this here? We'll do it ourselves. Because you get, as it is, I've got so much of loaded information, you'll get confused. Agar ye command hai, so what happens is, the macro, whenever you send a mail, no, that name is there, no, or name semicolon 0 semicolon DDMMYY, that immediately gets copied to K2, and then it gets split into name and 0 and 0. And then after dear, it takes that name and says dear Gopal. So that's what the command does. But if this split thing is not there, ये पूरा dear करके चला जाता है बस, dear blank. Okay, so forget this. I will make it all right. But see how your mails go. I don't know whether we should do Camtasia now, but maybe I will use itself and tell you. I'm again repeating this. 3 ways by which you send mails. Please look it up so that you will know. If the dear comes without anything, call me and I will put that command for you. Not command, that formula for you in that T. It's as simple as that. And from then onwards, all your mails from that T will happen. Automatically it will happen. See, Shweta was free at that point. That's why I could have Shweta copy the script and all in 200 T's or 300 T's. Now she's doing something else, I cannot do that. So me and Sunil will have to do it. So we will do that, but till that point of time, let's understand again how the 3 mails go. One is only the link, one is latest and early discussion, the third one is only the latest discussion. Okay. Small message. When you are writing something to a customer, I mean it's right, latest discussion you are writing, and that goes to the customer. It's not a rolling stone here. I mean, hi, we met you. There's no punctuation there. There's no concept of comma or full stop. Comma to hai. There's no concept of full stop at all there. I mean, very simple, no? Hi, we spoke today. We have discussed that you need .txt file, blah blah blah. Full stop. We will send you .txt file, blah blah blah. Something, whatever. There have to be full stops and commas and all, no, wherever, and gaps also. कुछ नहीं है, एक long सा है. Just see how the customer gets a mail. He or she will get completely irritated if they see such a kind of mail. Okay, that is one thing. Another point is, why does a Sangeeta, let me ask, why does a Sangeeta or an Asha, I said no, very intelligent some people are, they don't believe in sending mails.
I sent, sir.
Okay, but fair enough. But the people who send those long mails and all, please tell me, Asha, I mean, is that the kind of training which I've given you for 3 months? I have always given you one training where it says, never on camera. This on camera, I will prostrate before you. On camera. Because you're absolutely right. I only said REI, immediately let's see. What is stopping you from putting those in N, yeah? You know how it works also. I've shown you so many times that VLOOKUP thing, how it works in that upper. Dekha na aap log. What is stopping you from doing that and using that to just copy paste and sending those mails? Why does Asha need to write all this again? Is that the kind of training I've given you? I don't know. Again, it's a difficult thing. Hey, remembering number is difficult, yeah. I won't remember number 2, number 17 and all. Hey, I will write, yeah. The same thing as that calling. I would rather type the number and call than please press click. Because difficult. So, submission to all you guys or suggestion or whatever. No, I can't force feed. Don't reinvent the wheel. Yeah. Don't reinvent the wheel. Don't write those. And the best part is the same thing would be there for all the customers. And Asha would have written nicely.
I'm not typing in.
Then what are you doing?
Only.
You're copying. You're cut pasting.
Only one message was sir. We are sending the customers. Then
So you're using a template.
that one template.
Template using what template? Your template or template is there in N?
And
Really?
sir,
One minute. Again, so if there is 500 rupee waiting for you,
sir,
for
one
her.
minute, sir,
Yeah.
please write
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Only these messages only we are sending to the customers.
Correct. Only which message?
Thanks for your giving information during our discussion and the course. We understood that you are looking for job. This is for candidates.
Okay.
And next,
What is stopping you, Asha? No, what are you saying? You're saying, what is the message you're giving? The message you're giving is, such a template is not there. Is that what you're saying? Are you saying that the template for...
have you seen I'm typing?
yeah, I will show you. So can we... in which case, let me end this video, okay, by saying that I would want you guys to use templates and not reinvent the wheel. That's all. With that, we will end it. Now, we will... we can continue, but I have announced already 500 for her. How much should I announce for you?
I don't know.
200? Don't want, she'll say. Okay. But 200 means 200 on both sides. I will also get 200. Okay. So, I think we'll stop the video. You go and claim your 500.